In this video, I'll be covering a few requests. First up will be throttle position versus power. This car has electronic ITBs, so I can lock the throttle percent to whatever I like. The first run I'll do at 10% throttle, and then I'll go up 10% each run after that. I also have a sample graph of a big single setup with oversized throttle body that I tuned a while back. I'll throw that graph in at the end. In the runs over 50% throttle, you would have heard the engine having some issues. These big cam setups almost always have reversion issues at high throttle and low RPM. It can be quite tricky to dial out on the fuel map as the VE changes massively over a few hundred RPM, which I haven't really bothered doing on this car yet. But as you can see, the reversion can be blocked using a lower throttle opening. I will show a run of this next with a throttle map. Also, the weird stuff in the graph is actually the dyno freaking out, as the engine's making almost zero power, then instantly whacks it with 40 to 50 kilowatts. So the old controller overcorrects around the 3000 RPM mark. Next I'll run the car up in different gears. I almost wasn't going to show this one as it's not really accurate at all, as there's way too many variables. But it does cover one of the questions that gets asked on every one of my videos. How does it make so much torque? Or the torque numbers are wrong. Well, my dyno shows torque being applied to the rollers, so that's going to change with gear ratios. So I can actually show what's been applied to the road at each gear. I'll start in second gear and run through to sixth, which will be a part pull due to the speed limitations of the dyno.